Hi everyone! Medyo hindi mo na ako may mga bagong videos na kinukunan. Marami kasi akong videos na hindi pa na-upload. So, yun muna panoorin nyo. Okay? Watch lang kayo. So, let's start cooking. Start muna with the sauteing, and then since it's already 9 p.m. Yes, 9 p.m. na. There will be part 2 of this the following day. So tomorrow will be the continuation of my noodles, my Korean noodles. I'm gonna start with frying my shrimp. May water kasi. Kita ba? Parang hindi masyadong kita. Dapat tinatakpan. And then the garlic. My biggest mistake here is I forgot to buy ginger. So, wala akong ginger. But please add ginger. So, this is what I will cook for tomorrow. The sweet potato vermicelli. This is for our Korean noodles or the japchae. Now I will add sirloin strip. This is marinated in garlic. No. Sorry. This is marinated in dark soy sauce. 1/4 of the steak or the sirloin with 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and pepper. But if your soy sauce is very salty, make it like half teaspoon only. Okay. And also this is short ribs. Ito nga pala, nilagyan ko rin ito ng tenderizer. And also this one, the short ribs has tenderizer. This is for fast frying lang. Do not overcook the steak or the beef, or it will get tough. This is my version of the Korean noodles or the japchae because I want the noodles. I want to stir fry the noodles with the sauce or with the other ingredients. Yung japchae kasi talaga is separate yon. So they parang cook the noodles separately. Tapos imimix lang nila with the sauce. Ako kasi gusto ko naka-stir fry. Thinly sliced carrots and the onions. This is white onions. You can use chicken if you don't like beef. But beef is better. So much better. Iba kasi yung lasa ng beef. Tapos let's add na the bell peppers. Wala na pala akong beef cube. You can add beef cubes here or the seasoning powders. But since I don't have it, so we'll stick to the... You can use oyster sauce if you like. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is medium to high heat. Oops. let's first add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce since our meat is already marinated. If this gets too salty, you can add sugar. Because this kind of noodles is salty and sweet. I mean, this kind of noodle dish. Okay, let's add dark soy sauce. Not so much. Because the beef has dark soy sauce already. So we'll just add sugar. Taste nyo lang lagi, ha? I will put sesame oil, about a teaspoon. If you have mirin, add mirin, about a tablespoon. Optional to, ha? Tomorrow, when I finish cooking this, I will add also vegetables, the green ones. I think I still have broccoli in the fridge. Okay, I just need to taste this. And then this is done for now. Continuation will be tomorrow morning. Very good. Sarap. Galing, no? Okay, so I will turn the heat off. And I'll see you tomorrow. Ayan, yan muna ang umpisa. Tomorrow I will finish cooking my Korean noodles. See you tomorrow. So, eto yung continuation. Hapon na hindi ako nakaluto kasi nagkasakit ako. I had an asthma attack and I wasn't really feeling well. So, yung kahapon, nag-order na lang kami ng pizza kasi nga may bisita kami. So, ito yon, I'm reheating this again. Pinasok ko to sa fridge lang hindi ako nakaluto. Tapos, reheating this. And then, I will add mushrooms and the broccoli. Tapos, I'm boiling water. Susundan ko lang to. Pero, hindi ko na tinansya ko na lang yung water. So, lalagyan daw ng salt. Plus, kasi dati, basta binoboil ko lang at salt. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Nakalagay salt. Tapos, immerse in boiling water. Hindi naman nakalagay kung ganong katagal, pero about 5 minutes. Iaano ko siya sa boiling water. Okay? So, ayan. I-ready ko na yung ibang ingredients. Medyo tawag dito, nag-overcook na nga yung bell pepper kasi hindi naman agad natapos yung pagluto. But, still, nga pala, i-season ko ulit ito kasi pag nilagay yung vermicelli, depende yon if it's parang bland. So, dagdagan natin ng ha. So, eto ulit siya, ha. Yan. Sweet potato vermicelli. Okay. I will get back to you, ha. Okay, so while I am boiling the noodles, tuloy ko na to. So, I will add mushroom. This is shiitake, fresh shiitake. If you are using the dried ones, you have to put it in water first for a few minutes until it softens. But this one is fresh. You can use other mushrooms if you like. Portobello or the canned mushroom is also okay. I will add a little water from the boiling vermicelli. Titikman muna natin. Kasi minsan, although meron tong 4 tablespoon or some salt, ay kailangan pa rin siyang tikman kasi hindi natin alam kung tama sa panlasa natin. I also advise that you taste japchae. Like when you buy in the restaurant, in a Korean restaurant or kahit sa fast food, para you know the real taste of the dish before cooking it. Kasi para meron kayong basihan ng pagluto. Okay, let's add one more. Para lang mabasa to. So that's about half cup na total of water. Mahirap kasi magluto tapos hindi mo naman pala alam na, ay, ang lasa pala talaga nito dapat ganito. Diba? Add na natin ang broccoli. After 7 minutes, in-off ko na yung heat nito. And then, add ko na dito. Para alam nyo kung kailan nyo pang lutuin, ha? You can drain this if you like. Ako diretso na. Kasi, gusto ko naman yung water niya. Uy! And then mix. My heat is still on in low heat. It's better if you have sesame seeds too. But I don't have sesame seeds, so yan lang. If you have any question, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe after watching. Okay, I will taste. But we have to mix well before tasting. Okay? Kasi minsan yung sauce nasa ilalim. O kaya hindi masyadong nahalo ang ano. Okay naman, but I think I will add more. Siguro another tablespoon of sesame oil or the dark soy sauce. Siguro dark soy sauce. Masarap ang lasa. This should be a little sweet in taste. Sweet and salty. Okay, wait. I will add sesame oil again. I turned off the heat because this is done. I'm just adding some more ingredients. Pasensya na sa boses kasi ubo ako ng ubo kahapon. green onions. I-cut ko yung ibang noodles. Kasi ang hirap ano eh. Hirap haluin. Make sure to mix this well, ha? Okay. So, this is it. My Korean noodles, the japchae, with beef and mushroom, carrots, broccoli, sauteed in garlic, onion. There should be ginger. I didn't put ginger because I don't have any. The onion, I use white onions, okay? Plus a lot more. So please watch the full procedure. And again, if you have questions, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. I forgot to add my shrimp, the cooked shrimp. So, ayan. Okay, just add it since it's cooked already. Optional ang shrimp, okay? And also, if you want to put spinach, that's okay.